Okay, so that's the big idea. But how did this philosophy of service actually translate to the factory floor? Well, it led to a complete reinvention of manufacturing as the world knew it.
The goal was this relentless, almost obsessive war on waste. I mean, they analyzed every single motion. They simplified every task. They built incredibly specialized tools for every little job. And of course, the big one, they brought the work to the worker with the moving assembly line. All of a sudden, the real skill wasn't in the hands of the person on the line anymore. It was engineered directly into the process itself.
And the result of all this simplification? Well, it was absolutely revolutionary. Because the system itself was so brilliant, the individual jobs became incredibly simple. Ford's own data showed that almost 80% of his entire workforce could be fully trained in less than a week. This just blew the doors of industrial employment wide open for millions of people who'd never had a chance before.
So what's the bottom line? What was the direct outcome of all this obsessive efficiency? Well, the savings weren't just pocketed as profit. No way. Instead, Ford used them to systematically, deliberately, drive down the price of his products, making them available to more and more people.
The Fordson tractor is a perfect case study. You can see it right here. As they got better and better at making them, the price was just cut again and again. And this wasn't some temporary sale, you know. This was the system working exactly like it was supposed to, fulfilling that core mission of service by making the product affordable for pretty much everyone.
But you know, for all the talk about machines and assembly lines, maybe Ford's most famous innovation, it wasn't a machine at all. It was a wage, an idea so radical, it sent shockwaves through the entire industrial world.
So in 1914, Ford does something that just makes the whole world's jaw drop. He announces he's going to pay his workers $5 for an 8-hour day. Now, you got to understand, this was more than double the average manufacturing wage at the time. It was completely unheard of.